Today we'll be upgrading a VB WRX dome light from incandescent to LEDs. We're using a kit from Diode Dynamics. The kit is labeled with 2015 to 16 WRX, but it does work with the VB WRX. I'll be using a cheap pry tool kit. I'll put a link down in the description below. You can certainly use a flathead screwdriver, but that can damage the light housing. The original bulbs has basically flat spades at the end. If you rotate it so that the smaller side of it is pointed downward, it's easier to pull the bulb out. A lot of LED bulbs are polarity sensitive, so if you touch the leads and it does not come on, simply flip it around and try again. Obviously, you want to make sure that the LEDs are pointing downward. Rotate the bulb slightly if necessary. These Diode Dynamics bulbs are definitely tight in there, but those metal tangs or leads are pretty flexible, so I think they'll be all right. We'll just snap the cover back on and we'll be all set. Here I'm sliding the front side in first and then snap the back side in. This is the before. And this is obviously with the upgraded LEDs. It is a more of a whitish tint, giving it a more modern look. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and again hit the like and subscribe button for a lot more VBWX videos.